What up, world? This is the Wttdx. I am the Dean. This is the platform where you can get behind the scenes footage of yours truly all around, me on stage, in the studio, etc. As well as you get beat videos. As well as you get beginner tutorials. I mean, you gonna learn something. Best believe. First tip, you know the infamous battle for that low end space between the kick and the 808. You know, they be battling, bow, bow, bow. You know what I'm saying? They going in. But you like, damn, how do I get this to mix together? How do I get this to blend? Tip number one, you let that kick win that 100 to 200 hertz battle. Give that kick that 100 hertz. You roll the 808 off till about, what, 150, you know what I'm saying, 200. And you pretty much accentuate that 200, 300. You know what I mean? So the 808 has its space, the kick has its space, and they blend together and sound perfectly. Now, like I always say, it's subjective. It all depends on the relative 808 to kick relationship, you know what I'm saying? It all depends on the song or whatever, the individual. It depends, it have various factors. So, yeah, that's pretty much what that is. Another tip, make sure them drums are tuned. Make sure them drums are in the same key as the melody. Make sure they're in the same key. If they're not, you're going to be like, why they not sounding right? What's going on? Make sure you try that and watch. It's going to change your life. But before we go into the video, like, thumbs up, subscribe, you know what I mean? Hit that notification bell. I appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into that video. You're now watching. Welcome to the BEATSTARS. I'm in the still. You are now listening to
It's undeniable.
Yeah, I started off with this piano melody right here. Okay. Yeah. Alright. I brought in a pad to complement it. Same melody right under it. Okay. Yeah. So this is a sub melody right here, just to complement. And you know, I had to bust in 808s up in here. That's a definite. Then I already made my drums all together and bounced them in place already. So, cause it's always best to bounce it in place so you can get the full dynamics. You know, you leave it in MIDI, it's like you missing out. Just quite frankly. Here we go. Woo. 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 The open hat. Drop that in there. Open hat. Woo. Woo. I like to analyze and check to see, okay, something don't sound right. What's wrong? And something is getting annoying. Another thing's wrong.
It's another change of plans.
See, that's what happens when you have a wife. I got my time. I got my flow zone. That's just what I do. I'm not paying attention to nobody. Block everybody else. It's like tunnel vision. Hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Spotify. I'm all over. All links below. To get more tips, get more behind the scenes video of the Dean,